Relative clauses. Relative clauses are the union of sentences that further describes what you are talking about. For example, sometimes we need to refer to something or someone not in a direct way. For example, if we're talking about Hillary Clinton and someone in the group does not know who Hillary Clinton is, you're gonna talk like, for example, oh yes, I met Hillary Clinton yesterday. And then another person may not know who Hillary Clinton is and he or she may ask me who she is. Then I'm gonna ask her, oh yeah, Hillary Clinton, she's the one who is the wife of the former president Bill Clinton. See what I did? I'm not referring to her by her name. I'm saying she is the one who was the former president's wife. And this symbol is what relative clauses are. In order for you to attach two sentences with relative clauses, you must use the following pronouns, which are actually relative pronouns, which means they're not exactly referring to one person, but they're referring to someone or something indirectly, as the word relative suggests. These are the relative pronouns: which, who, whom, whose, that. For example, I am the teacher who did learn English in 10 days. So I'm not talking about Ephraim, but I'm talking about the teacher who learned English in 10 days. See already what I mean by relative clauses? So you gotta learn how to use this. Let's give just another example. Let's imagine we're talking about Carla, a girl named Carla. And I talk to someone else who doesn't actually remind her. So I tell him, okay, that's Carla. He says, who's Carla? Then I say, okay, she's the girl that told you before not to come to the party. Just as an example. You know, suggesting that Carla asked this guy not to come to a party. She's the girl that, I'm using that as a relative pronouns, told him not to come to the party. Do you see what I mean? So these relative pronouns, for example, are some words that you may already know because we actually use them in past or previous courses. But now we're using them in a further level of conversation, which means they're not used exactly the same as you learned before, but these are the same very words. Also, there's a lot more details you gotta learn about this topic. But remember, we're gonna be practicing along with other courses and other grammar structures we learned in the past. So this may be a little bit of a challenge grammar structure. We're gonna be waiting for you right in the next video. Thank you.